Question number 21 has been discussed. Now question number 22. What is colostrum? Just now I told. Write its significance. Come to the page number 26 and 27. 26, just now we have told the mammary gland secretes the hormone. 26, first starting from there. Come to the page number 27 till infection. Bacterial infection. Prevents against the bacterial infection. IgA helps. Now come to the next question number 23. Placenta is an endocrine tissue. Justify. Endocrine means we know it is secreting so many hormones. So placenta also secretes so many hormones, starting from a page number 25 and 26 also. So starting from here, placenta acts as temporary endocrine gland and produces large quantities of all these hormones. Come to the next page number, that is progesterone, estrogen and relaxin till here. So 26, 25, 26. Next question is, that is 24. Draw a labeled sketch of spermatozoa. That is in page number 24. That is sperm diagram. We have to practice. Very easy thing. That is page number 20. Page number 20. That is the structure. Question number 24 with leveling. Next question is 25. What is inhibin? We have to go to the page number 14. 1-4. Inhibin already male reproductive structure. When we have discussed, we have to start from there. Page number 14. They also secrete. They means what? No, Sertoli cells. That's why I have written Sertoli cells. Question number 20. Sertoli cells secrete inhibin, a hormone which is involved in negative feedback control of sperm. Till here, it's a 2 marks question. Now next question we are going to discuss, that is 26. Mention the importance of the position of testes in humans. Again page number 14. Come to the page number 14. Start from this paragraph fully. Question number 26 I have marked. Start from there till the end of this paragraph. The next part we are going to discuss about the question number 27. Question number 27, composition of semen. Come to the page number 15. Question number page number 16. Semen or seminal fluid is a milky white fluid which contains sperms and seminal plasma secreted by seminal vesicle. Separately you have to say seminal vesicle. What are the fluids? Seminal vesicle secretes. When seminal vesicle which secrete all these things, you have to say called the vesiculous enzyme. Next one you are having seminal vesicle, then prostate gland. Prostate gland also prostate and secretes a slightly acidic fluid that contains citrate, several enzymes and prostate specific antigens. And third one is called the bulbourethral glands, or it is also called Cowper's gland. Here bulbourethral glands inferior to the prostate secretion help in the lubrication of the penis. So till from there in between explain penalty you have to come to this end up here. That is the contents of semen. Now next part we are going to discuss about the name the hormones produced from the placenta during pregnancy. Already we have discussed, same as question number 23. Same as question number 23. Endocrine tissue. Define gametogenesis. What do you mean by gametogenesis? Already we have discussed. Again we are coming to the page number 18. Gametogenesis is the process of production or formation of gametes, sperms and not ovary, sperms and egg or ovum from the primary sex organs in all sexually reproducing organisms. That is called gametogenesis. Very simple question, that one. Next part we are going to discuss structure of human ovum. That is page number 21. Page number 21, that is the structure. It is practical also, it is there, so you should practice question number 30. Now next question, we are 31. 31. Schematic presentation of spermatogenesis and oogenesis. That is page number 18. Page number 18. Schematic presentation is a spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Both to be very, very important question, that one. Now next we are going to discuss 32. Explain the various phases of menstrual cycle. That is in page number 21 and 22. First you have to define, then 4 phases to be mentioned. Page number 21 and 22. 33 question. Explain the role of oxytocin. Just now I have told, during parturition and lactation, oxytocin and relaxin. This is the function of relaxin you have to discuss. Question number 33. And oxytocin, what is the function? The two functions separately to be discussed. Next one, identify the given image, the level of its parts. D has been given, that is called coronary radiata. A, B, C. From the diagram you have to, A is the nucleus, B. So by seeing the diagram you have to mention that one. Now the following is the illustration of the sequence of ovarian events A to I in a human female. Identify the figure that illustrates ovulation. So here F is the answer. This is the ovulation. And mention the stage of oogenesis it represents. That is called the maturation phase. Maturation phase only ovulation takes place. Name the ovarian hormone and the pituitary hormone that have caused the above mentioned events. What are the hormones? I have written the answers. FSH, LH, estrogen and progesterone. These 4 hormones. Explain the changes that occur in the uterus simultaneously in anticipation. Same answer as menstrual phase. All the 4 phases to be mentioned. Now write the difference between C and G. What is the A? C and G. C is, I have written here, C is the secondary follicle and H is the corpus luteum. So now difference. Secondary follicle, you have to come to the page number, I will see. The secondary follicle, in the page number 20. You have to only define definition. So start from here, secondary till here, secondary follicle. Till 3 lines, that is called secondary follicle. 2 lines. Now corpus luteum. Corpus luteum you have to discuss here. During menstrual phase, that is the luteal phase, the remaining part of the Graafian follicle is transformed into transitory endocrine gland called the corpus luteum. Corpus luteum secretes large amount of progesterone, which is essential for the maintenance of endometrium till here. So that is the only definition, then only it will be completed. Now in the egg, the structure has been told. Corona radiata has been told, nucleus, germinal vesicle, vitelline membrane and zona pellucida. So A, B, C, D has been given. A, B, C, D has been given. So D is the corona radiata. Corona radiata. A is the zona pellucida. Zona pellucida. B is the nucleus. And C is the vitelline membrane. Vitelline membrane. That's all. So this is the end of this topic. Okay, thank you children.